Hi everyone, today we are making this Chinese braised pork trotter stew. I know it might sound kind of gross and exotic to some of you. You might ask, oh, what's so good about eating animal feet? Why Asian people are so obsessed with it? Chicken feet, cow feet, pork feet, human feet. I mean, not human feet, that was just a joke. At least not yet. Anyway, so my answer to that is because as you know, pork feet, for example, has enormous amount of collagen and gelatin, which we believe is really good for your skin. Now you know why Asian people are so young looking. Now back to the cooking part, everyone. As you can see, we blanched the pork feet first, and then we need to caramelize it. That way they can have a really nice brown coloring. Quickly adding sliced garlic, smashed ginger, and sliced tomato, which adds some acidic flavor to the broth for a minute, and then mixing the pre-cooked pork feet, adding the spice and the marinade sauce. Mix well and simmer for a minute. Before we add in the water, simply bring the broth to boil. Once it starts boiling, we can adjust the heat to medium-low and simmer it for about 1.5 hours with regular pot, and then with pressure cooker, it's gonna be 30 minutes or so. The cooking time is mandatory to the success of this dish. Okay, so that was the recipe for pork trotter stew. What do you think? Still gross or tempting? The full recipe is in my bio link. Give it a try. Thank you for watching.